Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to block camera access on Chrome. The first thing you do is, from your Chrome menu here, Chrome browser actually, click on the three dots at the top right corner, then you scroll down to settings over here, click on settings, and then over here we have some options, click on privacy and security. Then over here we also have more options. Just go to the last option which says site settings, click on site settings, and now you can see under permissions we have location, camera, microphone and the rest of them. Just click on camera. Right now you can see sites are allowed to use your camera, so what you do is click on the second option which blocks sites from using your camera. So any features that need a camera also won't work. So if you still want to do this, click on this. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to block camera access on Chrome. Thanks for watching.